Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Vocera new user. First, log into the Vocera administration console using your assigned administrator credentials. Once inside, locate the Users section, typically found in the main navigation menu. This is where you will initiate the process of adding a new user profile. Carefully input the user's basic information, such as their full name and unique identification number, to ensure accurate record keeping. Next, you'll need to configure the Vocera device itself. Assign a specific Vocera badge or smartphone client to the new user within their profile. It's crucial to ensure this device is correctly registered and linked to the Vocera system for seamless communication. Take a moment to verify the device's settings, such as speaker volume and notification preferences, to match the user's needs and work environment. Now, let's focus on the user's profile and permissions. Define the user's role within the organization and assign them to relevant communication groups. This ensures they can interact with the correct teams. Set up their communication permissions, specifying who they can call and message. Finally, configure their notification preferences for critical alerts and routine messages, ensuring they receive important information promptly. Finally, it's time for testing and best practices. Make a test call to the new user's device to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Review system logs for any potential errors or connectivity issues that might need addressing. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Provide the new user with basic training on how to effectively use their Vocera device and its key features. This ensures they are confident and ready to communicate efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.